What is good, everybody? 3 in the morning, perfect time to do this video. Why? Because it's late and this is a night drive. I'm not a big fan of electric cars, but this right here, if I wanted to really get one, other than like a Model S, this is it. This is hard. I ain't gonna lie, I was damn. I love how luxury it is. Like, this, man, look at those seats. What the? This is different. And shout out to Autotop for allowing me to do the video. And fair use, copyright 107 Act, because we are making comedy and entertainment and educational purposes to this video. Look at the ambient lighting. That mess really is crazy. I mean, I know like S's be doing this, but it's cool to see an electric car like really high end, you know. Like those are cool. These features. I'm not a big fan of it, like, but once you're in it, and it's super quiet. Let me kind of go and skip ahead. Like, this is a comfortable car, you know, you could tell. Wow. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Wow. That's cool. Damn. Does that make noise? I think so. That's cool, you know. Like the Taycan. Those, okay, that's the next one that I will get. Other than that, to me, those are the two best right now. EQS, Taycan. Wow, though. When you press on that gas, that noise is kind of cool. It's like a freak, the same Audi from iRobot. That mess is like, ooh. Yeah, well, this is a beautiful car. I mean, very luxury, very high end. I would love to hear it drive harder more because that noise is kind of cool. Let's hear it. I think it's about to. Just relaxing. I don't blame him. Let's see. It's just every time you hit on that gas. There you go. Well, it looks like he just relaxes the whole drive. Well, this is more of a night drive. That's relaxing. I could stop here because the rest is just gonna be the same, and that's a really smooth car. When I think about it because just what it comes with. That comes with a lot of technology that I would even like. Cause if this was on like a normal car, a gas car, it would be cool. But sometimes they be doing too much, you know. But the fact that it's on electric,